Hey guys, what's going on? So, last Sunday I showed you how to make this really simple origami house flicker. And this is how it flies. Well, in this simple Sunday tutorial, I'm now going to show you how to make the version with the chimney on it, as promised. And this is how this one flies. The house with the chimney, and this is how this one flies. Ooh! And so yes, I think this one's pretty cool, and I recommend first learning how to make this one first, because this one's a little bit harder to fold, I think. But this one's still pretty simple though, so it doesn't really matter. But these are both really simple, and this is simple enough. I'll do a simple Sunday tutorial. And so so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this one, so ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami, and what color should I use here? I guess I'll use a sheet of purple. Okay, there, purple it is. Alright, so let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half. Alright, unfold, and fold to the crease. It starts out the same way as this model. I mean, really, it is that model, we just put a chimney on it. Okay. Alright, now it's airplane fold one of these sides. So take this edge and fold it to the middle. And repeat. Okay, like that. And now we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it up how much? Well, we're going to fold it beyond this line and still make sure that this line aligns with that line. And this is really to taste, really to eye. But I say probably about this much is good, so that's like a little less than an inch. Just try and match what I do. Or, you know, it doesn't really need to be perfect. Because we're going to tuck this part inside there, so it doesn't really matter. Alright, but just do it about like that. Okay. And now take this point and fold it up. So the fold we're making aligns with that edge. Well, actually, you can go a little bit further up. Probably about 1 millimeter. Like this. And repeat on this side. So about 1 millimeter further up than that edge is good. You could make it align exactly, but I think it's better if we go further up. Alright, and unfold these flaps, and this is optional, but you can fold them inside like this, behind, if you want to hide them. But really how it was is fine earlier. Alright, now flatten it, and we're going to take this part and we're going to tuck it under these flaps. Make sure these flaps are folded if you folded them behind. Alright. Like that. Okay. And now we'll do the chimney in a little bit, but let's first turn this into a flicker. So we're going to fold this edge up just a tad, just about like that. This is what makes it fly, like a flicker. And of course we're closing these edges off too. Because flickers fly best when it's one folded edge all the way around, not double edges like this. Okay, and this is one edge, but I'm going to fold it up also. That way it's all rotationally symmetric. Increase it really sharply. Use the desk and your fingernails and just crease it really sharply. I like that. I didn't really do it with this one, so I'm going to do it with this one too. Yeah, just kind of scratch it like this. Okay, and this one. Yeah, but kind of just do this. Crease it really sharply. Okay. And now let's go ahead and work on the chimney. So rotate like this, and if you want the chimney to be on, you can really choose any flap, because you know these flaps are both the same, it looks like, so you can probably do, I don't really care which one, but on this one, you know, I did it with this one. But but if you do it with this one, you'll have the chimney on the right. Yeah. But if you want it to have be on the left, I'll do it with this one. I'm just going to do it with this one right here. So fold it up, and this is also to taste. If you want your chimney to stick out more, fold it more. But if you want it to stick out less, fold it up less. I'm just going to go somewhere in between. So there actually is kind of a guide mark. You can estimate thirds on here. So you can fold it so that this is equal to this. So this is equal to that. See that? Yeah, just do something about like that, maybe. Make sure your fold you're making is parallel with this edge. Or close enough is fine. Alright. And now comes a little tricky step. This is probably the hardest step. We're going to make a swivel fold, so to make it a little bit easier, let's take this edge and fold it to this edge. There, I'll zoom in a little bit. Okay, unfold. And now here comes the swivel. So refold on that crease like this. And now we're going to take this part and we're going to fold it. We're going to fold it up, this flap up when we flatten the swivel. And the object is that you want this little edge, see that white edge, to be parallel with this. This is tricky, so actually, even like this, see, that's a nice chimney right there. So making this version is tricky, so do that at your own risk. Okay. Oh yeah, close enough is fine too. Just do it about like that, or you can just flatten it however it flattens. Okay. Yep, and there's our chimney. All right, now let's continue with the flicker. So. We don't really need to fold this edge up because the chimney is in the way, so we're gonna fold this one up. And actually, let's. I'm gonna get rid of this flap. I'm gonna fold it inside like this. That way, there's not a flap sticking up, and it'll make it fly a little bit better. Okay, now fold this edge up just a little bit, like you did with these. Okay, just like that. And here's the house. There's the flicker done. And if you like, you can draw features on it like windows, like I did with the other one, like this. But I'm not gonna do it because I think it's pretty nice just like this. It's clean. Now let's just give it a little bit of curvature. This will make it fly a little bit better. Yep, and there it is. Okay. Okay, so now if you want this to fly good, I recommend flicking it like this. I'm going to hold it right here by this part, and I'm going to flick on this edge. See? I don't really flicker like this, but I'll go ahead and try. Oh. Yeah, I'm not used to doing that. I flickers like this. That's the easiest way. Okay, now I'm going to show you how it flies. Oh, before I show you how it flies, I want to show you one other cool thing it does. You can also make it spin on the desk or table. And to do that, let's fold in half on the crease. And just make a pinch mark in the middle, right there. Crease it sharply in the middle. And unfold and take this point and fold it to this edge, where that crease is. Like this. Make sure the sides are folded. And don't fold it all the way, just make a crease mark. Just right there, so it's more cleaner. Alright, unfold and make that crease mark and the crease at the same time. So make a little point right there so it can spin. Okay, now find a desk or table that's actually smooth. And spin it like that, and it spins a little bit like this. See, it spins a little bit like that. Yep, it is a spinner too. Okay, now I'll show you how it flies. Alright, so to fly the thing, you know the drill. It's just like an ordinary flicker, so like I just showed you, I'm gonna hold it right here and flick on this edge. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah. Let's do it one more time. Oh yeah. So there you have it. And if you want to fold the simpler one without the chimney, I put that tutorial in the card. Alright, I'll fly this one just for the heck of it. Oh yeah, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding that and enjoy flying it. And if you did manage to do that, make demos of it, and I'd like to see it. Alright, make sure you subscribe. See or subscribe right here, where my eyes are. Alright, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.